go. Oh, there's a good girl. There's a good girl. This is my little girl. There we go. Good job. Jeez. Her shoulders are way back there. She's a nice little package. She's about a pound, oh, half a pound smaller than the biggest girl, which is yellow. She's got a nice neck. There you go. Nice short little loin. Whoa, it's slippery. There you go. There's a good girl. Can we show them your pretty head? Can we show them your pretty head? Oh. Put your legs down. There's a good girl. Here. Oh, there you go. There you go. Pretty girl. Alright, that was Genevieve, otherwise known as Aqua Girl.